The Verum Dual Marking Gauge is a beautifully made piece of kit. We have got a brass stock, a brass saddle that clamps down onto both bars, and we've got two stems, both of which have millimeters and imperial markings, and the two different stems have the cutters in opposite directions. By that I mean the top one has a bevel which faces in towards the stock, and then the actual screw is within the cutter. The other one, if I bring him up, now that bevel is away from the stock. When we're using these dual marking gauges, we have the choice as to which one of the cutters we want to use for any particular purpose. General idea is the bevel goes into your waist side of the timber, or we can use the pair of them together for marking out a tenon and mortice. We would then get these set up to the right position, lock off the stem saddle, and then we would move this up and down until we get the stock in the right position for your mortice to be marked out. Also, we have a nice flat on this so it'll sit well and truly on the bench. If you were doing a mark where you're a long way away from the timber and it could perhaps tip over, remove this saddle and bring it up to here, and it'll help steady the timber or steady the gauge as you're marking your timber. To get more details on the Verum Dual Marking Gauge, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Follow us on our Instagram, our Facebook and on YouTube.